Did you know that we can earn money using Chatgpt? Let's look into few ways to earn money using Chatgpt. First, you can use Chatgpt to improve your writing and communication skills by practicing writing essays, reports, or any other type of content. Second, you can use Chatgpt to research topics and gather information for academic or business purposes. Many people and organizations are willing to pay for accurate and comprehensive research. Third, you can use Chatgpt to learn new skills and acquire knowledge in various fields. The more skills you have, the more valuable you are to potential employers or clients. Fourth, you can use Chatgpt to create content for websites, social media, or blogs. You can use the knowledge you gain from Chatgpt to create content that is informative and engaging, which may lead to more followers and potential monetization opportunities. Fifth, if you have expertise in a particular field, you can use Chatgpt to offer consulting services. You can use your knowledge and skills to help others solve problems or achieve their goals. Sixth, there are many competitions and challenges that require participants to use AI and machine learning, and some of these offer monetary rewards for winners. Seventh, you can use Chatgpt as a component of an AI-based product or application that can potentially earn money through sales or subscriptions. Hence, these are just a few examples of how you can potentially earn money by utilizing Chatgpt's capabilities. The possibilities are virtually endless, and it's up to you to find the opportunities that work best for your skills and interests.